What is a sunshade in a building? Simple explanation for homeowners. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about a very important architectural element that most people notice but rarely understand, the sunshade. A sunshade, also known as a shade slab, or overhang, is a horizontal projection built above windows, doors, and openings in a building. Its main purpose is simple: to block direct sunlight, heat, and rain, keeping the inside of your home cooler and more comfortable. Sunshades reduce heat gain, especially on east and west-facing walls where the sun is strongest. This helps lower electricity consumption by reducing the load on fans and air conditioners. They also protect window frames, glass, and walls from weather damage, increasing the overall life of the building. Sunshades can be made from concrete, steel, aluminum, or even modern materials like polycarbonate sheets. Many homes also use designer sunshades to improve the elevation look. So next time you see those projections above your windows, you'll know they're doing much more than just adding style. They're working silently to protect your home every day. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.